Good morning, afternoon, or evening, ladies and gentlemen. So, today is still Thursday, the 17th of February. I decided that I was gonna film my bath bomb video today. I was doing a lot of back and forth, and then I decided, you know what? Let's just do it. It'll be fun. It'll be nice. It'll be nice to wind down and relax after an active morning/afternoon, cleaning my dad's house, this and that. It'll be nice to just chill and relax for a bit. So that's what I'm gonna do. I like the logo. The logo looks real nice. So I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna open this just to see what they look like because I'm very curious. The packaging is very pristine, very nice, very beautiful. And as you guys can see on there, it tells you that it's natural, smooth, handmade, and organic. So I'm very interested. I'm hoping for bright colors and whatnot, once we actually try it. So I don't know, here we go. I'm excited to see what colors we have because I didn't look at it too much because I just wanted to kind of be more blown away when I saw it in person, so. Ooh. Whoa. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we have some nice little fun stuff. Nice, nice. Oh my gosh, how exciting. It smells wonderful. I don't know what this is. I'm uneducated. What does it mean? Wow, guys, it smells actually really pretty. Let's get this green guy out first, if we can. Whoa! That's like a little donut. That's awesome. Very pretty. And let's see what this big guy is. That looks really fun. What is this guy? And a very beautiful little cupcake with sprinkles on it. How did they do it? It's just so pretty. I don't know what this is, but now I must know if I can get it out. Maybe we get this out first. Ooh, this is a big guy. And last guy, let's see if we can get him out. It was kind of difficult for me to grab. Whoa, that was not what I was expecting. I was just expecting a, like a ball, I guess. But that's really cool. Wow. I hope you guys are excited for me to try them. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so the bathtub is officially full. Here are the bath bombs. Let's see, guys, which should we choose from? So, we have Tickle Me Pink, we have Donut Bliss, we have Mango Tango, fun name, 10 out of 10, Marmalade Madness, Candy Kisses Bombs, and Cupcake Celebration. Which one should we pick? I kind of want to try the cupcake one, I'm going to be honest. Look at this. Look at this. It's amazing. Let's see. I think that the first one we should try is the cupcake, in my personal opinion. Sambo. What you doing, bud? Oh, he's trying to eat my pastry. Back up, boy. So, let's open this up and drop it in. It's like a separate bit. The icing is detached from the cupcake portion, or at least it has detached. Never done this. Do I just slowly put it in? Wow! Look, Sam. Careful, don't fall. I'll just let it go now. This is still dissolving, but less so. I think my judgments are gonna be basically overall feel, dissolvability, and water coloration. As you can see, the water is completely colored. Overall, looks fairly good, fairly inviting. Dissolvability, slow dissolver, not necessarily bad by any means, but to be fair, it's all natural products according to the packaging, so it probably was going to dissolve slower. I'm not judging too harshly on that, but I will get in, I will test the water, test how the product feels on my skin, and I will get back to you guys with a review of the cupcake. Okay, hello there. I am in the bathtub currently, and I want to come at you with my unfiltered first thoughts / opinions. First things first, like I said, dissolvability, alright. The coloration was not the greatest, as you can tell. And like I mentioned, my bathtub, or my water already has a tint to it, so that wasn't doing the bath bomb very many favors, but at the same time, I used the bath bomb, like I mentioned, a little while ago, and it completely colored the entire water, as you can tell from this photo. So I'm a little disappointed on the coloration, as well as the overall feeling for my skin and whatnot. I feel like it did definitely soften, like my skin does feel good, but at the same time, not as much as I would have liked. So I think overall, out of 10, I'd give a middle answer. I'd give about a 5 out of 10. Nothing to brag on, but can't really complain as well. I definitely want to try at least one more. Bear with me while I drain the bathtub and I refill it. Let's select our next bath bomb. The cupcake one was pretty small. I think we should choose a bigger one, obviously, so out of these 4. We did a cupcake last time, so I am thinking either this one or this one. I kind of want to try the blue. I love blue, what can I say? This one is Marmalade Madness. I'm excited to try it. Let's go where there's an air pocket. And now we can peel. Ooh, already more of a quick dissolve time. Last time it seemed that it didn't really want to dissolve, so that is nice, and the blue is very pretty. Of course, I'm holding it up, as you can tell, but coloration seems a lot better than the last bath bomb. Not gonna lie, my hand is blue. That's cool. Let me rinse it off. And I don't know if it's gonna make the whole bathtub feel like this, but already my skin, I think, feels very, very nice. So I'm hoping that that lasts, basically. This one's dissolving faster, but to me, I kind of, I messed it up. It was picture perfect until I did that. Oh well. But yeah, this one overall I think is doing a whole lot better than the other one did. If I'm gonna buy bath bombs in the future, I'm probably gonna... I might still buy from this buyer. So far, I'm not thinking that it's... I don't want to blame the... not the buyer, sorry. The seller. I don't want to blame them. I think that the size of the bath bomb really does matter. I think that it has a huge impact on the coloration of the water. And obviously the feeling of your skin afterward and all that. In any case, it's still dissolving. I imagine it's going to dissolve for a little bit longer, but I'm going to get in, you guys, so that way I can give you a review. Alright guys, so first impressions, want to do this again right off the bat while I'm still sitting in the bathtub and can give you an honest review. I'm gonna give this bath bomb probably, let me think. I give it a solid, I believe I gave it an 8 out of 10 for dissolvability. No, I gave it an 8 out of 10 for coloration. Coloration, super good, you know, whatnot. I would have given it a 10 out of 10 if it were more opaque. So skin feel, I would say, it's hard to tell because I took a bath back to back, but I think I would give it, again, a 5 out of 10. Like, so same that I gave for the other bath bomb. It's not bad. There's nothing wrong with the feel of my skin. I guess I just wish that it would have given my skin more of a softer feeling. Like, I'm not a bath bomb expert, but if I were to make a bath bomb, I would want your skin to feel very, very soft and, yeah, you know, like maybe a little bit oily after. Soft, oily, and hydrated. And I think that my skin does feel hydrated. All right on the softness, but not very much. This one's a higher rating than the previous one, but so far, you know, it's alright. Also, I honestly do think that because, as the package mentions again, that it's natural products, sometimes people use less. Also, just, in my personal opinion, not enough. So, that's where I'm at with that.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so really quick, I just wanted to hop in with a voiceover because I do not know what happened. I filmed the next two bath bombs, the Donut Bliss, as well as the Candy Kisses bombs, and the footage is gone. I don't know what to tell you. I literally filmed it, it is literally gone. So, in any case, I filmed my raw review slash reaction slash opinions on the Candy Kisses bombs, which is the next clip that you'll see. I did not film anything for the Donut Bliss, but I remember distinctly that I was disappointed in the Donut Bliss bath bomb because the coloration was very, very light. The dissolvability was very, very rapid from what I remember, and it was just gone within an instant. And the overall skin feel was not that great from what I can remember. However, you will see me bragging about the Candy Kisses bath bomb in this next clip because I thought it was very good. So there was that. Although I had a slight letdown with the donut one, the next one was very good, so I was happy about that.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in my bathtub right now, coloration, really good. Actually, once I got in the bath, like, somehow it got better, so I'm gonna give it an 8.5, maybe a 9. My skin feels great, 9 out of 10. Dissolvability, really nice. I would give it an 8 out of 10. I'm really weird with the dissolvability. I'm not sure exactly what I'm judging it on yet. But you know, it's whatever. It's whatever. So, today is, of course, the last bath bomb review. We are reviewing these last two bath bombs. And I believe that I'm going to try this one first. This one is the Mango Tango. Fun name. And then afterwards, of course, I want to try the heart one, which is the Tickle Me Pink one, which I think is going to be the best out of all of them. So essentially, I'm trying to save the best for last. But in any case, let's go with the Mango Tango. Ooh. Should I just let it? Yeah, I think I'll just let it. I've learned at this point that you can't be mad at the bath bombs. They're gonna go wherever they want, they're gonna do whatever they want. But I shall film it for you. nice green hue. How fun. Last bath bomb that we're going to review. Like I said, I honestly think that this one is going to be the best one. We'll see though. The Marmalade Madness, I think personally, that one and the Candy Kisses bombs was really, really nice. The last one and the other two were not, in my opinion, that much to brag on, but I honestly think that the bigger bath bombs are where it's at. So I think that this one will be really nice. There was nothing wrong with the one I just tried. It made my skin super smooth. I'm sorry I wasn't able to record my review because my husband called me while I was in the bath. But my skin felt really smooth. Like I said, the only thing that I wasn't too crazy about, which it's the same complaint for all of these bath bombs, it's just that the colors were not as opaque in the water as I prefer. But let's get on to reviewing this one. Oop. The pink is really pretty, and I really like the flower petals that the person added to the bath bomb itself. Alrighty guys, so as you saw, I used all the bath bombs, and now I'm going to come at you with a candid review of the Aofmee bath bombs. I believe it's Aofmee, I don't know how to actually pronounce it. I do believe that overall these bath bombs were good bath bombs, especially for the price. You get what you paid for, basically, and that's a good thing. I mean, I was happy. Wish the coloration was more opaque. I wish that the bath bombs, when they dissolved, it was more frothy. I don't know. Like I said, if I can put a comparison to what I mean, this is what the bath bombs that I just tried out looked like, as you guys saw. And this is kind of what I was hoping to get. More of that sort of reaction. So, I don't know. Honestly, again, for my kind of first bath bombs, it's a pretty good experience. I didn't like the smaller bath bombs. As you guys know, there were, I believe, 3 small bath bombs within this box. I felt like the color wasn't good. Just my opinion, like they didn't really color the entire bathtub, which, I mean, I don't know. I prefer for, like I said, for me to not be able to see the bottom. I really liked I think it's called the Marmalade Madness bath bomb, because although it was smaller than the bigger bath bombs, it really did well with the coloring of the water. I think overall, out of, let's say 10, I'd probably give it a 7. I'm glad I tried them. For a first time bath bomb user, I'd recommend, I suppose. I hope you guys liked this video. I'm hoping, actually, if you guys are interested in starting a Minecraft Let's Play together. Let me know if that's something that you're interested in by giving this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're interested in seeing more reviews. And of course, I plan on doing more sit-in sketches, more vlogs. But yeah, please like and subscribe, and I shall see you guys very soon. Bye.